This is the FLIR GF320 optical gas imaging camera that would be the perfect solution from an efficiency and safety perspective that can detect gas emissions, leaks, and many more things. Let's explore what comes with your standardized rental package. So this is the GF320. It enables a quick detection of gas emissions and leaks to ensure compliance and have safety and reduce the operational cost. This also features a 320 by 280 resolutions with a 25-degree lens, along with a protective lens cap to ensure its safety and protection. Inside, you will also find a quick start guide along with the service documentation from a calibration perspective, which these do not need to be annually unless they are damaged or dropped. It also features two 32 gigabyte SD cards to ensure you have ample storage for extensive data. This package also includes 2 batteries along with a versatile battery charger supporting prolonged usage in the field. For connectivity, we have our HDMI to HDMI cables along with a USB-A to a USB Mini B cable that are included with your standardized rental, a hard, robust transport case to ensure your equipment is protected at any given time. The GF320 is more than just a tool. It is a safeguard ideal for pipeline monitoring and facility inspections. It delivers the accuracy and reliability your operations demand. Are you ready to enhance your safety and efficiency from a day-to-day operations? Please contact us for more information regarding your GF320 rental packages, along with our optical gas imaging training courses provided here at our facility in Pasadena, Texas.